Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today we are meeting in the morning. Otherwise, we always meet in the afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
It's morning. 11:30.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Nice to see you people back.
Ma'am, we have to switch on our video.
Yes, Beta. I want to see you people writing.
Finish coming.
But switch off your, mute yourself. Otherwise, others are not able to listen me. Okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Once you
ma'am.
are, once you have wished me, then you all can switch off. You can mute off. Otherwise, others are not able to listen. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hurry up, children. Hurry up. I can see 16 children. I can see 16 children.
Ma'am,
Please mute. Hanji beta.
ma'am, what we have to do today?
We'll start with Roman numbers today. Today is the last class of this chapter. Who is do we have Manish Kumar in our class? Do we have any Manish Kumar in our class?
No.
Who
Ma'am,
is this
no.
Manish Kumar then? Somebody
Ma'am
is coming.
Divyansh. Ma'am Divyansh.
I'm Divyansh.
Ma'am Divyansh.
Okay.
Ma'am.
I just
I'm 18 participants.
Ma'am.
only yes.
Ma'am, we haven't done the try this before exercise 1.2 and 1.3.
You finish your try. These are beta for your practice. Who is this Manish joined recently? Please change the name. Galaxy J6. Who is Galaxy J6?
Ma'am Chaitanya. Ma'am Chaitanya.
Next time I'll not allow this way. Aradhana is joining. Virat, try. These are for you people, beta. You need to practice on your own. Just to enhance whatever is being taught, will help you to understand the things better. Even if I won't tell you to do, it's your duty that all of you have to do. Try these also for practice. I can see 21 parts. Hurry up, children. This way we'll continue. 5 minutes goes in this only. Hurry up. Mute yourself, children. Others won't be able to see and listen me.
Try. Ma'am, please start the class.
Children are still in the waiting room.
Ma'am, please start the class.
I'm just starting, beta. There are only 22 children. The strength of the class is 46. Vihan, Virat, all of you, please mute. Aradhya, Lakshika. Vihan, mute yourself. Otherwise, others won't be able to see and listen to me. Samarth Khurana. Mute yourself. Kunjan, mute yourself. Children, you may need to be punctual. Otherwise, 5 minutes have gone in just making you enter in the class. See, today I'm going to start with the Roman numbers, and the Roman numbers.
Ma'am, the time is 11:35.
Ma'am, you are not audible. Ma'am, you are not audible.
You are not audible.
Ma'am, please repeat.
You are not audible.
Otherwise, nobody will be able to hear me. I will mute you all then. I will mute you all. You won't have the control even.
You can mute.
Lakshika, mute yourself. Lakshika, very good. Now I hope, who is this Galaxy J6? Please change your name. Hurry up. Otherwise, I'll remove you.
Ma'am, Chaitanya.
Change your name, Chaitanya. Switch on your videos, but mute yourself. I want you people to see writing. Chaitanya, Galaxy J6, I will remove you within a second in case you will not change the name. I'll remove you, Galaxy J6. I can see only 22 children. Only 22 children. Hurry up. I can't wait so long. I have to start.
Ma'am,
Who is this?
ma'am,
Anji,
ma'am Aradhana.
Anji bolo.
Ma'am, in exercise 3, which exercise you did in previous class, उसमें मैम जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, उसमें जो नंबर्स है उसमें हम कैसे राउंड ऑफ करेंगे?
Max at the greatest place. At the greatest place. All
Okay,
each
ma'am.
factor at the greatest place. If the number is 3-digit number, you will round off to nearest hundreds. If it is 4-digit number, nearest thousands. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Harshit is joining now. It's difficult this way.
Ma'am, if it is 5-digit number.
If it is 5-digit number, 10,000s. Okay?
Ma'am,
I
it
did one
cannot
example.
reach to 1 lakh.
No.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji, who is this?
Ma'am, Summer, ma'am, it will only go to ma'am round off only to ma'am 10,000, ma'am, not to lakhs.
Most of the questions are designed where we use only 10,000. Okay? Otherwise, there is no problem. Whatever digit you are rounding off, go to the next place and check. Okay? You all know that.
Yes,
If you're
ma'am.
rounding off to next tens, you have to check ones place. Rounding off to 100, you have to check tens place like that. Yuvraj Joshi, who's Yuvraj Joshi? I have just enter. Hurry up.
Ma'am, please start.
Okay, I'm starting. I cannot wait like this. I have to start the class. Now I
Ma'am, ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, you are audible.
switch. First mute,
Yes, ma'am.
first mute yourself. Otherwise, I'll mute and I'll take the control also from you people to unmute. If you will not listen to me, I'll mute you people and I'll take the control of unmuting also. I just thought, let me just instruct them. They'll mute themselves only when they want to ask something, or if I ask something from them, they'll unmute and they'll be able to answer. Okay? If you not mute yourself, others won't be able to listen in the class. The class will not have no value. Now, I am sharing one PPT with you. I'll explain you the rules of Roman numbers. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Now children, as you know, we are continuing with chapter 1. Let's see today's class. See, in today's class, I'm going to tell you 7 symbols for writing Roman numerals, and we'll also learn how to write Roman numerals and how to convert it back, vice versa. Write the given Hindu Arabic numbers in Roman and writing Roman numerals in Hindu Arabic. Both ways we are going to learn. Who is this Moto GSS? I not allow this way. Change the name, please. 30B. Who is this Moto GS5S? I not allow this way. If I keep on making you enter this way, I'll have to lock the class. After 5 minutes, I'm going to lock the class from tomorrow so that I am able to teach properly. I need the focus. I can't teach this way. To keep on joining till 12 o'clock, I can't do it. Yes, in this, say in Hindu Arabic number system. What is Hindu Arabic number system? The number system we are using normally in your questions or wherever you are using these 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All numbers are formed using these 10 digits. We have place value system also according to this. This is called Hindu Arabic number system. No need to write all these things. Just understand. No, lot of voice is coming in the back. Mute yourself, Saksham. Mute. I think I have to mute you all. Otherwise, you will not listen. Okay, I have muted you all. You're not listening to me. Ikam is joining right now. Late. Ananya, late. Dhairya. I can see only 29 children in the class. Lot of disturbance this week. Dhairya is waiting. My God, this way I can't teach. You need to come in time. Ashwin, do we have Ashwin Prakash in our class?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what are Roman numerals? The numeric system Romans used is called Roman numerals, and they used to use 7. There are 7 symbols used in Roman numerals. There are 7 symbols used in Roman numerals. Now, I'll tell you one easy way of remembering these symbols. This is just a recapitulation. I came to know that you people know these symbols earlier also in class 4th and 5th. I stands for 1, B stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. Now the easy way, and where do we use these symbols? These symbols you can find in clocks. Children, are you all able to hear me? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. in your class names, when you see your class names, labels in your class, you always see 1, 2, 3 using these symbols. You must have noticed in your school also that we use this way. I can see only two children in the class today. Now, where do we do? One more thing, whenever you get certificates or where you get, there's some competition, the ranks 1, 2, 3 are marked using these symbols. Now I have found one very easy way of learning it. Just, this is new for you. Note down this. Note down this. If you remember this word, medical Xavier, MEDICAL, medical Xavier, XAVIER. If
Ma'am, we have to write this.
yes, this is something new. Medical Xavier.
Ma'am, I knew this.
Very good. Medical Xavier. M stands for 1000. D stands for 500. C stands for 100. L stands for 50. X stands for 10. V stands for 5. I stands for 1. All the symbols are arranged in descending order from 1000 to 1. Is there anybody in the class who has query in this? Anybody in the class who has query in this? Okay, children, just note down for further reference. Note down for further reference. Aradhya, write down beta. Gunjan, write down. Drishti. Who is this 30B?
Written.
Ma'am, written.
30B419. Change your name. 30B419D3. Otherwise, I'll remove you. 30B419D3. Who is this? I'll remove you. Change the name, hurry up.
Written.
Ma'am, the screen is blurred.
Screen is?
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, no, it is clear.
It is clear.
Galaxy J6. Change the name, please. Galaxy J6. Change the name.
Ma'am, the screen is blurred.
Screen is? The screen is?
Blur.
It's not blurred. Maybe because of there's a network issue at your place.
Ma'am, yes, it is clear.
Otherwise, I'll send this PPT again. You in Google Classroom. So after telling you so many times, so many children are still entering through these names, funny name 30B419D3. Who is this? Speak up. Show your video. 30B419D3. I am removing you. I am removing you. Who is this? Now next. Have you all copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It will help you to write the numbers. It will help you to write Roman numbers. Hurry up.
Ma'am, done.
Very good.
Ma'am, done.
Now, I am going to start. How we can write Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numerals and Roman numerals to Hindi Arabic numbers. Don't talk like this in between. Mute yourself. The rule 1 is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Like you can see here, 2i's means 1 plus 1. 2x means 10
Ma'am, we
plus
have
10.
to write.
No, just
We have to
understand.
write.
No, just understand these. Please mute yourself. Lot of disturbance is coming at this end. X means 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now question comes, how many times we can repeat these symbols? A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times.
3.
3 times. But the symbols B, L and D are never repeated. These 3 symbols are never repeated. We don't write VV for 10. We will simply write it with X. So VV is wrong. You should know these things. Nivedita.
मैम इसे मैम हमें रोल तो लिखना है.
Rule नहीं लिखना बेटा. Are you understanding these rules?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Next rule is, if a smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. Like here, VI. Smaller numbers can be put afterwards. VI means 5 plus 1. X11 means 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. LXV, 50 plus 10 plus 5 becomes 65. All these rules we have done earlier also. Just to make you, just to revise these rules, I have made this PPT. Children, you are making a lot of noise at the back.
Vinayak is making this song.
Who is this?
Vinayak is on.
From tomorrow,
मैंने
I'll
कुछ
just-
नहीं.
don't start fighting here. J6, Galaxy J6, who is this Galaxy J6? Change the name please and show the
Chaitanya,
video.
ma'am Chaitanya.
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya is separated.
क्या खाना तेरे में.
Don't start fighting here. Let me just tell the child myself. No need of instruction from your side. Parents are requested not to create noise at the back. Okay. Next rule. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left, like here, if this I comes here, it becomes 6. If this I comes before, we have to subtract. We have to subtract. You can note down these numbers. These are important. 4, 9, 40, 90, 400, 900. Children, note down these numbers. Children, note down these numbers and their Roman numeral.
Ma'am, only these numbers only.
Yes, beta. 4, 1V, 9, 1X, 40 XL, 90 XC, 400 CD, 900 CM. Hurry up.
Ma'am, what do we have to write?
These numbers 4, 9, 40, 90, 400, 900 and their Roman numerals. These are some important Roman numerals where children sometimes make mistakes.
I'm done.
Ma'am done.
Excuse me, ma'am, how to write the Roman numeral of 900?
Numeral of 900 CM. CM.
CM.
CM. C stands for 100. M stands for 1000. We are subtracting 100 from 1000 and we get 900.
Ma'am, done.
Who was that J6? Now the number is name is disappeared.
He was Chaitanya.
No, beta, Chaitanya is separately written. Not Chaitanya. Person has left now. From next time, I will not allow a single child without his or her name. As simple as this. I am going to instruct the parents.
Ma'am, he is in.
Ma'am, he has renamed him.
Okay, let me just finish it fast. Let me just finish it fast. Have you all copied? I need to give few questions for practice also. Rule number 5 is the symbols V, L, D are never subtracted. They are never written to the left of a symbol with greater value. Like we cannot write this way, Vx. Vx is wrong. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and symbol X can be subtracted from L, C and M only. Symbol X can be subtracted from L, C and M. Okay. Now these are the basic combinations.
Ma'am, X cannot be subtracted from D.
X cannot be subtracted from D. Yes. Now these are basic combinations. You have written till 90. 900 you have written. These are basic combinations for 1 to 9, 10 to 20, 10 and 90, 100 to 900. I'll send this in PPT in your Google Classroom. You can refer it afterwards. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Like here 400 D, C, 500 D. C can be read 3 times. Now let me tell you how do we write bigger numbers. Like if the number is 1984. 1984, if I have to write in Roman numeral, if I have to write in, who all have left in between? I can see now 31 participants. Earlier they were 36.
22 participants.
It means there's somebody who is coming and who is going. It's not allowed. From tomorrow I'll lock the class also, lock the meeting. Now look at this example, 1984. 1984. It will be 1000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 4. 1000 is M, 900 is CM, 80 is LXXX, 4 is 1V. Parents are disturbing at the back, please, no noise. No noise, please. Now, how do we write this number 1984? We'll write like this, M, CM, LXXX, 1V. Note down this number. Note down this number. 1984. Samarth, write down. 1984. Divansh, write down. Drishti, sit straight and write down. Vihan, write down. Vinayak, write down.
Ma'am, repeat the number. Ma'am, written.
1984.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
The answer is MCM.
CML XXX
1V.
1C.
Written.
Ma'am, correct. Ma'am, correct.
Okay, next. Can I move to the next slide?
Yes.
I also
Yes.
wanted to give you two questions for practice. Now it's other way around. How do we write Roman to Hindu Arabic? Like this example, CCC LX1V. Copy down this question, children. CCC LX1V. LX1V.
मैम ओके मैम हमें इसको लिखना है हिंदू और
हाँ
अरबिक
जल्दी
में।
लिखो बेटा जल्दी लिखो. We're having short of time. Lot of disturbance at the back.
मैम रिटर्न मैम रिटर्न
Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good,
written.
children.
Ma'am, 360.
364
Why? C stands for 100. C stands for next 100. Third C is again 100. Then L is 50. X is 10. 1V is 4. So we get 364. Now children, practice these. convert to Roman numerals. 64, 119. 64, 119, 365, 126. 64 is first part.
मैम हमें ये भी लिखना है।
हाँ बेटा, ये तो प्रैक्टिस के लिए दिया ना आपको, जल्दी से करो, मेरे को और क्वेश्चंस भी देने हैं आपको प्रैक्टिस के लिए। और व्हाट इज दिस सॉन्ग गोइंग एट द बैक? Note down these questions. Only write the question part and try to make Roman numbers on your own. Afterwards check. 64, 119, 365, 126, 272, 439.
Ma'am, 126, 272, 49.
Shaurya, have you written? Virat. Anji, Virat. You have query? Virat has any query? Virat has any query?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am,
Bolo
you
beta.
said that ma'am, you said that we cannot write XD.
XD. So it means this is wrong. Right? We'll get the new answer. I'll just get the new answer. We cannot subtract. Yes, you are right. We cannot subtract X. We cannot write X before D. What should be the answer here?
Ma'am, CD.
CD. Very good. This is CD, X, 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 1X. CD. This is C. We should have C here. If you've done this, I have a very good one more practice worksheet for you.
Ma'am, please post that on Google Classroom.
Previous one?
Ma'am, no.
Okay,
मैम ये भी हमें लिखना है।
लिखो जल्दी से बेटा। ये उल्टा है. We have to write into Hindu Arabic numbers. X, X, 1V will be 24. L, X, 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 1 will be, I will be 50, 60, 70, 80. X, L, B, I, 47. C, 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 X, I means 311. C, D, I means, like here, this C, D, 401. C, C, L, X, B, I. 100 plus 100, 200. 50, 67. So it is 267. 267.
I'm done.
मैम डन।
Okay. Let everybody do.
मैम डन।
Okay, I have got one more PPT where
मैम प्लीज वेट।
wait. Get this one.
मैम प्लीज वेट।
Just try out these 5 questions. Write
And
numbers.
which one?
Write first 5. जल्दी से first 5.
तो कंशा तो यहाँ पर आई क्यों?
यहाँ तक लिखो बेटा, यहाँ तक बस. Matt will share the answers till 5 you start. Write the numbers for Roman numeral DCCL. Divyansh, don't say. Divyansh. Divyansh Balara.
Ma'am, I cannot see the next slide.
Ma'am,
Yes. Ma'am, I also.
ma'am, yes.
Ma'am,
Not able to see the slide?
Ma'am, next
Ma'am.
slide.
Write numbers for
Ma'am.
Roman numeral DCCL.
Ma'am, I'm
not
not
able
able
to
to see.
Okay, let me just see again.
Yes.
Wait.
Ma'am, not
ma'am,
Ma'am, now I am able to see.
Now,
No.
ma'am,
wait, beta.
ma'am, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Wait, who is this? Let me just show this to you. Then I will talk to you people.
Ma'am, Aradhana.
Are you able to see now?
Ma'am,
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, it is blocked.
There is some network issue.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
First five. देखो जल्दी से बेटा will discuss the answers for first five. Write numbers for Roman numeral DCCL. What is the Roman number for DCCL? I write only the number. Don't write the question. Simply write DCCL. What's the answer for DCCL?
Ma'am, 701. Ma'am, 750. Ma'am, 750.
750.
Ma'am, 750.
Now,
750.
how to write 451? How to
Ma'am,
write
C.
450?
Ma'am, CD.
LCD. Ma'am, CDL1. CDLI. CDLI.
CDLI.
CD.
Now write the years in number for MM.
Ma'am, 2000. Ma'am, 2000. Ma'am, 2000.
Write numbers for numeral, Roman numeral DL.
Ma'am, 550.
550. 550. 550.
550. Write the year 2010 as Roman numeral.
MMX. MMX.
Do we have
Excuse me,
a teacher in the class?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Auntie.
MMX.
Ma'am, it's me, Ekam. How to write 2009 in Roman numerals?
2009.
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am,
M-M-I-X.
IS. Ma'am, written till 5. MMIS.
MM.
Yes. For 2009.
The meeting is almost over.
Let me just talk to you first. Okay, children, time is very less left out. I'll send this in your Google Classroom. I need to say goodbye to all. From next
Bye,
class,
ma'am.
I'll start a new chapter. I'll post one practice worksheet. This practice worksheet for you at home. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, I need to say goodbye. Otherwise, meeting will be ended itself.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless
Bye,
you all.
ma'am.
Did you find the meeting useful? Did you find the class
Yes, ma'am.
useful?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You all enjoy?
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Did you all enjoy?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Yes, ma'am.
Goodbye. God bless you
Bye,
all.
ma'am.
Take care.